Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're learning the present perfect tense with a motivational story and new vocabulary that will help you speak English confidently. So first, sit back, relax, and listen carefully to this short story. Then, we'll learn the meaning of some useful words and phrases. Ready? Let's go. Story. He has never stopped believing. There's a boy named Arjun. For many years, Arjun has dreamed of becoming a writer. He has written hundreds of pages in his notebook. He has shared his stories with friends. Some people have laughed at his ideas. Others have ignored his work. But Arjun has never stopped believing in himself. He has worked hard every single day. He has read many books, has improved his grammar, and has learned from his mistakes. And guess what? Recently, he has published his first short story online. Thousands of people have read it, and many of them have sent him kind messages. Arjun's journey shows one powerful truth. Those who have believed and have taken action, they have achieved their dreams. Part 2. Vocabulary and phrases explained. Now, let's learn some new phrases from the story. Listen and repeat with me. 1. Has dreamed of means has wanted something for a long time. Repeat. He has dreamed of becoming a writer. 2. Has never stopped believing means has always had faith, even in hard times. Repeat. He has never stopped believing in himself. 3. Has worked hard means has put in a lot of effort. Repeat. She has worked hard to improve. 4. Has improved means has become better at something. Repeat. He has improved his grammar. 5. Has published means has shared work with the world, like a book or article. Repeat. He has published his first story. 6. Has taken action means has done something instead of just thinking. Repeat. She has taken action toward her goal. Great job. You've just learned the present perfect tense through a real-life story and vocabulary that you can use every day. Write your own sentence using the present perfect tense. For example, I have started learning English every day. Like this video if you enjoyed the story, and subscribe for more simple and fun English lessons. See you in the next one. Keep smiling, keep learning.